I don't know. 2 more watches I'll show you. Here's one of them.
Okay.
It's a 2-tone sub.
What are you asking for it?
12.5.
3 months ago, then I said it's excellent price, but today's a little bit different. I would be probably around 11ish. Due to the fact right now it's like there's some.
I don't know. I'd come down maybe 12.3.
Probably 11.5.
No. I own the watch for 11.6. I'm trying to make a little bit of money. Make me $400 at 12.
I hate when people tell me how much they pay. This you gotta make money, no?
I would hope so. I don't want to keep eating ramen at night.
Can I offer you some stuff? Like maybe you'll buy something.
Let's finish this first, and then you'll offer me stuff.
It's tough. It's tough.
You know, the best things in life are tough.
11.9.
Done.
Thank you, mazal.
Thank God. What do you have for me?